Welcome to the software journey with GKey. Power BI classes with real-time interview questions and answers. Class 22. How do you handle circular dependencies in Power BI?
In this part of training, we are going to discuss about how to handle circular dependencies in Power BI. A circular dependency happens when relationships from a loop and Power BI cannot determine filter direction. There are different ways to fix a circular dependencies. First way is change relationship direction to a single. There is some situations that filter can be in both directions, but if you fix that in a single direction, we can fix the circular dependency. It breaks the loop and define one clear filter path. We have dedicated training session for this in our YouTube channel. You can go for that. And second way to fix circular dependency is use a bridge table. Here, when bridge table comes to point is whenever a key columns which are duplicate, if they want to be joined on both the tables, then it will there would be a problem like many-to-many relationships. In such a scenario, we go and create a separate table with the distinct keys. Creating a middle table with distinct keys to avoid direct table to table loops. This is also used to fix the circular dependencies. On this topic also we have a dedicated training session. You can go through for that. And third point is use inactive relationships. Keep one relationship inactive and activate it only in DAX using user relationship function. For this active and inactive relationships also, I have a dedicated training session which is there in our YouTube channel. You can go through for that as well. There I have explained what are active and inactive relationships. If you are using inactive relationship, how to use a DAX function to relate the tables like this by using this function like user relationship function. And the third way of fixing the circular dependencies is redesign a star schema. Facts at the center and dimensions around them, there would be no loops. There are different concepts like star schema, snowflake schema and hybrid schema. In star schema, there will be one fact table in the middle. All the dimension tables are directly connected to it. In the schemas like snowflake schema, one dimension table is connected to other one. Then that table is connected to a star like central fact table. Here, that kind of a design is called snowflake design. But to handle or fix a circular dependence, we have to redesign the model with star schema. Here, the relationships are direct to a fact table from dimension tables. In these four ways, we can fix the circular dependencies whenever you find these kind of issues. Coming to the answer, to fix circular dependencies by breaking the loop using single direction filters, bridge tables, inactive relationships, are restructuring the model into a star schema. For all these points, we have a dedicated training sessions in our YouTube channel. You can go through further for your detailed understanding. Coming to the next slide. In this slide, we can see what type of error we used to get if we get a circular relationship. This is the error. Unexpected error, failed to save modifications to the server. Error returned a circular dependency was detected. Kind of error you will be having while having connections with different tables in the design. This is a way of circular dependency. The tables used to be designed in this way. Here, as we discussed in the previous slide, customer support is the bridge table that we have used to fix the circular dependency between customer and sports and sales. Here we are making customer key and sports key unique values and we put them in the customer sport separate bridge table, and we are joining sport and customer tables by using these keys. And if you want any sales based on customer and sports, you can have the query here to get the desired results. This is one of the approach to fix the circular dependency. This is the way circular dependency used to happen. Once a circular dependency is there, this kind of issue you used to get in the designing process in the Power BI desktop level, that too in model tab. I think you got some idea about circular dependencies in Power BI and different ways to fixing the circular dependencies. Thank you.
Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Join the GKey community and grow your IT profession with us.